Today is a kind of a special event for all of us. It's part of our precursor to a National Fire Safety Week that's coming up here within the next week. We like to invite out the public and give them multiple demonstrations on fire safety. One being the basic kitchen stovetop fire and how to properly extinguish that. Also to demonstrate a car fire, and that it just shows them, you know, what it all involves.
Somebody want to tell me what stop, drop, and roll means? You didn't hear that. She said if your clothes start on fire, you should stop, drop to the ground, and roll.
So this is some water. I'm going to show you what happens when you put water on the fire. It's not going out, it's splashing.
Yep, you see that it's not going out, it's just splashing all over. So Brian's going to show you the safe way to put a grease fire out. He's going to take the pan, the cover of the pan there, and he's going to slide it over the edge and just put it over the top of the pan, and that's going to suffocate the fire and put it out. And there you go.
We bring out the trucks, give the kids and the families the opportunity to look at the fire trucks, climb on them, look at the tools, get familiar with what we do. It's always a fun time. The kids love it. We love to put it on. And it's nice to connect with the community that we're a part of.
Okay, so we got our official timekeeper over there. All right, we'll let you, once they're ready, we'll let you do the countdown. 3, 2, 1, go. How's that sound?
3, 2, 1, go!
So Brian's got his hair going. All right, you're not done yet, Brian. Remember, you got to strap your hat. Is going gonna do the inspection to see who's fully dressed. Thanks, guys. How about giving them a big hand? Thanks for those of you who are cheering on